Thanks for tuning in. We are on the majestic yacht of the 2nd annual Beirut American Nights. Let's go inside and check it out. And I pulled some beautiful ladies. What's your name, sweetheart?
Myron.
Is this your first time at Beirut Night?
Actually, it's my 2nd time here. I love it. It's such a blast. It's absolutely wonderful. It's a great crowd. You know, you can't beat the crowd. Can't beat the music. You know, and on top of that, there's so many beautiful people here. I mean,
you recommend people to come again next year?
For sure.
The party is going crazy inside. The energy is high. We have beautiful people partying. Tell me about the party. What's your name?
Carla. Oh my gosh, the yacht party is amazing. Arabic music all night, dancing all night. It's amazing. You're not here, you're missing out.
How are you? My name is Zein. Actually, I'm glad I do that party for Beirut Night. Joelle, she's my best friend.
TV. We're on Beirut Nights Yacht Party. I have two handsome men over here. What is your name, sir?
Michael.
And your name, sir?
I'm Blake.
Where are you guys from originally?
I'm from Torrance, California. Also Southern California as well.
How are you guys enjoying the party tonight?
It's been really good. It's been really crazy. The music's awesome. We're out here on the water in front of Long Beach. Like, it really couldn't be better. It's very beautiful. I feel like I'm somewhere else. Beirut Nights. I would say it's a very unique experience if you want to feel like you're in a very different place.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Nadia.
Hi, Nadia. How did you like the party?
I love the party tonight. As always, Joelle and Beirut Nights was amazing. She never ceased to amaze the entire Middle Eastern population with bringing together the best of the Middle Eastern cuisine with entertainment and an amazing ambiance. She is truly something else.
Welcome again, everyone. We're on Dandana TV, Beirut Nights Yacht Party. We're with beautiful host, producer of Beirut Nights, Joelle.
أهلا كيفكن? Well, this is our second time doing it. It's our second annual yacht party, and we're very, very proud to. It's getting bigger and it's just getting more popular. So we're very happy to have the whole community here, and we're having a great time.
Yes, this is the second annual Beirut Nights Yacht Party. This is the beautiful producer, Joelle. I'm Anna Victoria. Thank you for watching us. See you next year.